Hi, I'm Agent Bennett, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your smartphone. As a bonus, since most cleaning chemicals and technology don't mix, I'm also going to show you how to sanitize your device using the PhoneSoap 3. Here's what you'll need: a microfiber cloth, distilled water, and the PhoneSoap 3, which is a UV sanitizer that can kill 99.99% of all bacteria and germs. It doesn't just clean one side of your device. The PhoneSoap 3 has medical-grade UVC bulbs on the top and bottom, so it can clean the back as well as the screen. For this video, I'll be using the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Even though the cleaning steps are fairly universal, they might be a little different depending on your device. Let's start with the cleaning process. Now, when it comes to cleaning materials, it might be tempting to just use whatever you have in the house. But keep in mind this is sophisticated tech, so you'll really want to treat it properly, only using approved cleaners. If you're not sure, check with the manufacturer. I'm going to clean mine with distilled water, which is better than tap water because it's purified. The distillation process removes nearly all of the contaminants, making it safer to use during the cleaning process. All right, here we go. First, make sure the phone is off. If you use a screen protector, go ahead and keep it on, but if you have a case, go ahead and take it off. So you can also clean the back of the phone and get rid of any debris on the case itself. Start by dampening the cloth with a small amount of water. It should be damp but not dripping wet, so squeeze out some of the water if you need to. Now, wipe down the back, front, and sides. Then remove any excess water with a dry part of the cloth. Make sure you let it air dry for at least 30 minutes so all of the moisture is completely gone. After that, now that the phone is clean, we'll sanitize it using the PhoneSoap 3. It fits smartphones of all sizes and can also clean your earbuds, car keys, credit cards, and more. Basically, whatever fits inside. Let me show you how it works. Once your phone is dry, plug the PhoneSoap 3 into an outlet and open the lid. Set your phone inside and then close it. The PhoneSoap 3 will automatically start. The light on top will glow blue, which means the phone is in the process of being disinfected. This takes about 10 minutes. After that, the blue light will turn off, letting you know your phone is disinfected and ready to use. When you take your phone out, close the lid and it'll automatically begin another disinfecting process on the inside of the device. You can also charge your phone while it's being cleaned. To do that, just plug your phone into its charger and then into the USB-A or the USB-C port on the side of the PhoneSoap 3. Close the lid, and now your phone can get its spa treatment and charge at the same time. Pretty cool! Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching!